It's a great day at Rusty Wallis Volkswagen. I'm usually shooting videos for Rusty Wallis Honda, but today we're featuring an 09 GMC Envoy Denali white with black interior. Here are your floor mats. It's got a cover here, which I have never seen for these particular vehicles. Awesome. You got your tow package, 8 cylinders, 3.5 liters, automatic rear wheel drive. It's got a clean Carfax. It's out of Killeen, so I'm assuming that it's was a military personnel vehicle. And what that means is service history, very well taken care of, a bunch of pride in the ownership of vehicles, houses, and such. Let's see, it's got Bluetooth, the tow package we talked about, fog lamps, CD player, 6 CD changer, a 6-speaker premium sound system. Of course, we saw the DVD player, auto headlights, very low miles, 91,400 in round numbers. Very spacious. I mean, the leather's not faded or overworn or anything like that. Very roomy in the back, and of course your passengers have their own vents. Just an overall nice vehicle. My number is 214-723-4366, John Hernandez. Happy spring. Please like my videos. We want to earn your business. Rusty Wallis has been in business for over 40 years, okay? We're family owned. We want you part of our family. Here is your moonroof. Just a nice vehicle. Needs a new owner. 214-723-4366. $11,999 was the price. Was $14,995. Pure priced at $11,999. In order to drive business to our dealerships, you've got to have the best prices online in order to compete. $11,999 is our pure price. Give me a call, 214-723-4366, John Hernandez. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Call me.